In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bridge creator along with the Grasshopper component. And this Grasshopper component is a new plugins in Tekla structure wherein it will read the Grasshopper script and you don't have to open the Rhino and Grasshopper. All you have to do is to just simply read in the script from the Grasshopper component. Okay, so I have with me the alignment, which is this blue line, and the a couple of construction line here for my reference. So let me open the Grasshopper component first, and I'm going to use this Grasshopper component to model this back wall with piling. Okay, so here, all I have to do is to apply this one and then pick the component. So pick 2 points, 1 and then 2. So as you can see here, it will model the back wall, okay, with this particular shape and then this pile, okay. Now, on the other side, I'm going to apply this one again and then select the Grasshopper component and then pick this point on the other side. All right, so I have this back wall on the left side. So basically, this one will be the base and reference of our bridge girder that we're going to build in. Okay, so let's put this Grasshopper component aside. And then this time, I'm going to open the bridge creator. All right, so from the bridge creator, all we have to do is to select the attributes that I have saved earlier. So in this case, I created the bridge girder here. So all we need is first read the alignment. So pick this one, and then this one is the alignment. So just simply pick that one and then middle button of your mouse, and then you're going to have the alignment here. Actually, it's already here. So make it sure that this alignment, you will see the alignment here so that you can use that one for your reference. And then with that alignment, I can use now this bridge creator to draw the chain edge. So middle button of your mouse, and then you're going to have the chain edge. As you can see here, I have the chain edge here, mark 150 meters. So, but basically our bridge girder will be placed from 50 mark to 90, so 40 meter length. All right, so from here, what I did here is I just used the component, and then from the component, as you can see, I have the bridge girder 1. So now the question is, what is this bridge girder 1? Basically, this one is a custom component that I have created. So if you notice here, I have created a bridge girder. So this is a custom component. Okay, just to show you, let me just pick 2 points from here, 1 and then 2. So as you can see, this is the bridge girder that I have created using the custom component. Now, what I'm trying to show you here is we can bring the custom component inside the bridge creator so that we can place that one easily along with our alignment. So this is the bridge girder that I have created again from the custom component. If I may change this one to transparent view, as you can see here, it's empty inside. So, but I already inserted or create the end of our tendons here. Okay, so that one is something like the tendons later. Once I put the tendons here, then as you can see, it will place on this side and then on the other side. Okay, let me just delete this one and then continue with our bridge creator here. So now that you can see the bridge girder that I have created, as you can see, I put all these bridge girder one by one with those corresponding coordinates, and then this one is the handle will be along the reference to our alignment. All right. So now all we have to do is to hit create and say yes. And there you go. So you have now the bridge girder here, right? Place properly using our alignment, and also that one is placed on top of our back wall with a beam. All right. Now, enable for us to add the details for the our bridge girder. So what I'm going to do is let me just put aside my bridge creator also, and then bring back in my what do you call that, the grasshopper component. So what I have to do is to select one of the girder, all right, and then create a 3D view. Before I continue with the accessories of my bridge here, so I'm going to put some details on this one. All right, so let me put the details first. So select the objects and component. And then first, I'm going to add the bridge girder tendons. Okay, so if you notice here, I have the tendons here. So let me just simply load the tendons. I created a script for that one, for that particular tendon. So let me just cancel this one, and then there you go. Apply, and then all you have to do is, again, go back to the grasshopper component. So select that one, and then look, pick the model object. So now what you can do is select this girder, and there you go. So as you can see here, it's nicely placed. Okay, the tendons is nicely placed on my bridge girder using the script from the grasshopper. So even though you can model this one in Tekla structure, but I think with the help of the grasshopper, that one will be much easier. So if you notice here, it is placed horizontally and vertically here. So here you can see the, okay, wait, let's see. You can make a front view here so that you can easily see the positioning. See the positioning of our tendons. There you go. All right. So watch out for the tutorial of that particular grasshopper script for these tendons. I'm going to create a separate video on that one. All right. So I'm going to use another script that I have created, which is the Girder rebar. Just simply load that one. So in this, if you will notice, this one is this is how you can easily add the reinforcement for this particular bridge girder. All right, so just simply cancel that one and apply. So with the script that you have created in the grasshopper here, then again select the girder, and then look what will happen. There you go. See? As you can see here, you have already the reinforcement for that particular girder. Okay, so, but again, if you want to add more reinforcement, like let's say, for example, on this blackout on the end, you can always go to the rebar, and then here, if you notice, you can go for this, what do you call that, rebar set, and then you can apply it from here. So maybe here, you can see here, apply, then let's say I'm going to put a U-bar shape here. And there you go. As you can see, then it will be placed accordingly. All right. So I'm not going to put more details on it. So let us move back to, let me close this one, and then let's go back to our bridge creator. So let me call the bridge creator again here. So this time around, I'm going to add the slab, okay, the slab here. So for the slab, I'll select the slab that I have created. Then if you notice here, I have created the slab here. Yeah, this is the slab. So if you notice, there's a slope, 2% slope there. And then all you have to do is to hit create and say yes. And there you go. So I have now the slab on top of my bridge girder. Okay, so let's add another accessories here. Let's add the barrier. So if you notice here, I have the barrier component here. By the way, this one is not a component, but this one is a profile that I have created in Tekla structure. So again, all I have to do is to create, select create, and there you go, you have the barrier. Okay. Now you will notice that my slab has some slope also here. Here, see, there's a slope here and also there's a slope here, right? So that's the good thing with the bridge creator in any shape. Also, it can created in the bridge creator. And lastly, let's add now the sidewalk. Okay, so for the sidewalk, again, I'm going to add the sidewalk here. So in this case, what I did is I created the sidewalk component, or sorry, the sidewalk is something like a poly beam with 150 and 1 by 1200 size, and then the bridge rail, this one will be the railing on the side. So all I have to do now is again hit create and say yes, and now the the bridge creator now will create the railing on the side. So if you notice here, it will follow the position here. See, it's nicely done here. All right, so that's how to use the bridge creator and the Grasshopper component in Tekla structure. And in addition, maybe I can show you the sample drawing of the bridge girder that I have created. So here, go to the document manager, and then here I have this girder. So just close it. So as you can see here, this is nicely done in Tekla structure. So change that one to black and white. So as you can see here, you have now the tendons here. So from the vertical, then it will become horizontal here, placement. And then you have the section, you have the reinforcement here, right? See, you have the tendons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then lastly, you can see the section. Here you have the reinforcement, and all the details will be placed in. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. Let me close it and then go back to our model. So maybe I can close now the bridge creator and then to see how this one looks like. So maybe I can change those also to the perspective view so that we can, if it is a perspective view, then we can do the fly here. There you go. Yeah. So this one will be our bridge using the bridge creator and the Grasshopper component. Okay, that's all, and thank you.